Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, let's see here. Let's move on to level 7 in from the level 6. So here you can see that the hint says that to reach level 7, to get the password of level 7, password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has all the following properties owned by the user Bandit 7 and the group Bandit 6 and 33 bytes in size. So let's get started. Let's get onto our terminal here. Let's do search to the Bandit 6 first. Let's paste the password and now we are in. So the hint is, if you do ls here, if you do ls-a here also, there is no file, hidden files that you can see to find the password. That means in the sense it's indirectly present on this server. So we need to find it. So you can use the find command and let's start searching from the root directory. So we'll use slash and then the type of file. Then let's see what type of thing we need to search, whether it is an image or video or directory. So we'll take it as file, and from file let's see it's what is the user is Bandit 7, and let's see what is the group. So group will be Bandit 6, and then finally the size, which is 33 bytes here, 33 bytes in size as it says. So we'll put 33C, and to like there may occur like many of the what you call, if you hit enter, so you get these many comments, many of this. So in that we need to filter which is important to us, like we need to know where that kind of file is, whether there is any file that is belonging to level 7 entry password. So we need to check that. So for that we need to clear out all these what you call the extra arguments which popped up during this execution of this command. So we'll write an extension for this command that will be 2, and this will be /null. Okay, so we'll hit enter. Sorry, so it is not this symbol, it is this symbol apparently. Just a minute. It's I guess 2/dev/null. Says no such directory. Well, let's try out something else. Okay, so to clear out we can use other ways also, but you can either search for it here, like you can search something like Control F. We can do find on this terminal like Bandit 7 something. So here is Bandit 7. So if there is anything related to this, we can get to here. So here we got something called as this. So this is our path where the password for Bandit 7 is stored. So let's get down here and to Control C we'll type cat and we'll paste this path. We can hit enter. So we got the password for Bandit 7. And before this, let's clarify how to use this here. I guess we need to use something like this. It says there's some problem with this kind of command. Let's see what's the problem with such command. Okay, so this was the mistake I was doing here. It is 2 and this greater mark. and there is no space between anywhere else, so you can see this. So we'll type again 2 and greater mark, and we got this path which has no extra arguments. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for same kind of CTS on my YouTube channel. Thank you.